Calling Morgan & Morgan for your injury is easy.
My man. Oh, man.
Morgan & Morgan. The choice is easy.
Selena in a Smart and Final, she is like a well-oiled machine. She grabs everything in one fell swoop. You see that? That is a pro move. Ice cream last. Smart and Final. Where else?
Watch Off the Clock today at 2 on KTLA 5.
Good morning, I'm Annie Rose Ramos in San Bernardino County, where the line fire has already burned more than 20,000 acres, and it's anyone's guess which direction it'll burn today, prompting multiple communities to evacuate. We're live outside of one hotel. You'll hear from some of those families who have had to evacuate. That's next.
Hi, everyone. I'm Lou Parker in for Frank Buckley this morning. From extreme heat to a hailstorm in some parts of Southern California. More on our wild and dangerous weather and what to expect in the coming days.
Good morning. I'm Jessica Holmes. Federal regulators proposing a drastic new rule in response to what's being called a crisis on our roads. Why they want some vehicles redesigned. Coming up.
I'm Eric Spielman. Debate night is tomorrow, the first and likely only face-off between the two presidential candidates, what they're both saying in advance of the big event.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Dana Devin. Coming up, a big Emmy win that's been a long time coming for one game show host, and the one thing Selena Gomez says she will never do. That's coming up in the Entertainment Report. Stay tuned.
Good Monday morning. I'm Kirk Hawkins filling in for Mark Kriske. Another day of dangerous heat, but this could be the last one before we get into Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Relief is coming in your 7-day forecast. We look live at LAX this morning. The sun is shining. I've been outside, and it's already a very hot start to the day. Along the coast, 85, 101 downtown LA, 110 in the San Fernando Valley. It certainly feels like that. Triple digits just about everywhere you go. We have extreme heat warnings and heat advisories, even red flag warnings, and air quality alerts now in effect. Orange County looking for a high of 103, 106 in the Inland Empire, and 104 in the high desert. Well, that is the latest on your forecast for now. Lou, back to you.
We begin with breaking news. Crews working through extreme heat to try and contain the line fire that's burning in San Bernardino County. That fire has grown to more than 20,000 acres since it first started last Thursday. KTLA 5's Annie Rose Ramos live in Redlands with the very latest for us. Good morning, Annie Rose.
Hey, Lou, good morning to you. Extreme heat doesn't even begin to cover it. It feels so incredibly hot, and it's only 10 a.m. It's only going to get hotter. Now, we know good news is on the way. Cooler temperatures coming tomorrow. And that fire, while it's burned over 20,000 acres, it is now 3% contained. Now, you might be wondering why we're here in Redlands. We wanted to come here because there is a whole slew of hotels and motels, one after the other. They are now overbooked, they say, because they are now home to a lot of those evacuees. We know that about 3,000 people evacuated over the weekend. A lot of those communities like Running Springs, Arrowhead, now under a mandatory evacuation. Among them, I want to bring in Terry. You are a family of 4. Come on in here. You are a family of 4. You guys left yesterday. Saturday. And I know it's been a little bit of a long road. You went to one evacuation center shelter that then had to evacuate because the fire then got to there. Then you went to another one in Fontana. Talk us through it.
Well, I was working and I was in kind of a remote part of our work, and all of a sudden somebody came running over Saturday morning around 10ish saying it's a mandatory evacuation, you got to get out of here, so we left. Me and my son work there. Went home. I found it wasn't mandatory yet, but it was set, get ready to go. Yeah. And so I got ready, and then I just started thinking about everybody's going to try to leave at once. Sure. And so I just we threw things in the car and left. Now we realize we should have grabbed medications and some other things that the smoke was already so bad. My lungs were hurting, my eyes were burning, my throat was burning. I just wanted to get out of there.
Sure, yeah. And this was Running Springs.
Running Springs, yeah. I work in Running Springs, about 2 miles from where I live.
You guys live there.
Yeah, so...
you went to the first shelter, and then in Redlands, right?
Well, actually, we decided to go down to the beach just to get some fresh air and everything. And my husband had a meeting on Sunday, so we decided to stay in a hotel down there the first night. Then we want to be close to home because we want to be able to go back up once we can. So we came back up here, found the evacuation shelter in the early afternoon in Redlands, and they were just packing up to, they said it was getting, the smoke was
close
too
to
bad.
them.
It was, yeah. It's
And then you went to another
right near where
one.
it started,
Yeah.
really. Yeah, we went to the other one that they referred us to. They weren't quite set up yet, but it was very nice. They were very nice. They gave food to eat and water and snacks, and
You
then
said
it
it.
started pouring rain. It was that
You
weather's-
said it wasn't going to really work out for your family. Your son
No.
has some mental disabilities, and so you're now here at the Super 8 Motel. You were hoping. I mean, it day after day after day, it gets expensive. You were hoping. You were saying the Red Cross was going to give out vouchers, but that hasn't happened yet.
No, they said that's kind of a last resort. Like if it gets, I guess where it stays on for too long, then maybe they start doing that, because that happened in Northern California with my sister. So that's where
Any idea how long you're going to be here? I saw you and your son sort of at the pool, just sort of.
Yeah. Now it looks like it might be a while. I don't know. Fires are so unpredictable. And
Today is going to be about getting all those medications that you left at home,
today
right?
I'm trying to figure out the medication issue and get that resolved.
I know, it's a lot. Thank you so much for talking to us. I know you have a lot to do today and a lot on your mind, so best of luck to you and your family. Thank you so much. This is just one of so many families we've been speaking to here at all of these hotels and motels who are trying to figure out what to do next, where to go next, how to figure out medication, what they're going to do for their children and their children's school that just started this school year. And it is so unpredictable as to whether or not any of these communities are going to be able to get back into their homes anytime soon. Reporting live, I'll send it back to you guys in the studio.
New at 10, look at this incredible video here showing the perspective from a water-dropping helicopter. The Nevada Army National Guard sharing this footage as its crews battled the Davis fire burning in Washoe Valley, Nevada. UH-60 Blackhawk helicopter is equipped with a bucket that can carry up to 700 gallons of water. Davis fire has burned more than 6,500 acres south of Reno. Wow.
So casual, just sitting on the side there with the door open.
That is remarkable.
incredible.
It's been crazy hot the last several days, but as you look ahead to the 7-day, things are really going to change in the next couple, thankfully.
Relief is on the way.
awesome.
If we could just stay
Hold
strong.
on today, huh?
We've got one more day to get through. Yeah. But when we're talking about the wildfires, we've got red flag warnings, critical fire weather continuing through this evening. We've got the heat, we've got the gusty winds, the humidity's in the right place, unfortunately the wrong place in this case, and of course there still is even a very slight threat of some showers and thunderstorms in our mountains and deserts. And we look live at Huntington Beach this morning, where it is a very warm, very hot start to the day. 85 the temperature across the LA area. Now, the almanac shows we saw a high yesterday, 104, beating a record set in 1984. 84 is the norm, and we're going to be closer to temperatures near normal weather. Heat advisories and excessive heat warnings expected to continue through this evening. We're looking at not only the beaches, but the mountains, a lot of inland areas impacted by these weather warnings. Today's kind of our last major day of this dangerous heat, and all those wildfires that we keep mentioning really impacting air quality, and air quality alerts in place in the areas highlighted here until tonight, just before the 9 o'clock hour. But we'll still see some residual respiratory issues, unfortunately.